greet our friends at the Vloggers Conference.
Hi everyone.
Ayan.
Hi, good afternoon.
Okay, and of course, Miss Dawn, please.
Hello, good afternoon. Hi everyone. This is my first time in a vloggers conference.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, and of course, Gons.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Thank you for being here.
Alright, but before we start with the question and answer, we'd like to show you the full trailer.
When I heard about the story and that I will be working with Miss Dawn and Kuya Goma, and of course, Direk Noel. Plus si Ate Van kasi she's been writing a lot of movies na kabilang ako. So, hindi talaga ako nagdalawang isip, hindi ako humingi ng time to actually think about it. I just said yes. I just jumped. Kasi nga, feeling ko, it's going to be a good one. At hindi ako nagkamali, it's a good one. And if you're talking about yung kaya mahirap siya, kasi it talks about an affair na surface observation lang sa paningin ko. Oo, mahirap siyang ikwento, pero kasi diba, in every story naman, kapag nag-stick ka sa pinagdadaanan ng tao, just like any other star cinema movie, nagsistick naman siya dun sa journey ng tao, ng character, more than the plot. Kung saan dinadala yung characters. Pag nag-stick ka naman dun, hindi siya mahirap eh.
Yes, sir. Alright.
Ako naman, it's familiar in a sense nga nung pinesenta nga sa akin yung storya. It's familiar because I'm married. So, meron ako naiintindihan about that aspect. No? But the aspect of the cheating part, di syempre, ni-research ko yun. Ni-research ko yun sa aking...
Tinanong mo na lang ako.
Archives. May archives kasi ako ng personal archives. So, ni-research ko ng...
Ako nagbibigay na sagot sa'yo.
So, and of course, na-excite ako because when I heard I would be with Richard again and then I would also be with Bea naman to be our first time, then of course, game. It is a subject matter na not naman as hindi naman alien sa atin. However, the treatment in this particular movie is very well done.
John, can I make dagdag? Kasi Miss Dawn, every time na makakausap ko ang tao about the trailer, interested sila na ikaw this time ang nagloko. May kakaibang binibigay yon sa viewers eh. Parang interesting naman talaga yung... Malinaw kasi yung trailer eh. Si Dawn ang nagloko, yung asawa.
Actually,
I mean, the character of Dawn, sorry.
Yung nakikita nila sa trailer na yun, that's only the surface. That's why so many people think, it's a mistress movie or it's a movie about it's the wife na nangaliwa. Yeah. It's much deeper than that. We just cannot share it all in the movie because then you'll know how the story goes. But when you watch it, you will understand what happened to the characters.
Gums?
It's not very often that you come across scripts like this, no? Then coupled with fantastic stars in your casting. You have Dawn, you have Bea, and then you have writers and director like Noel. When you read the script, papapansin mo na every character, it reflects the people around us. It could be yourself, it could be me. So it's a story about us. Hindi yung ginagawa lang ng story, parang selfish yung story. Like this one, when you watch the film, nakaka-relate ka one way or another. You could either be the friend, you could be the Bea in the movie, you could be the Richard in the movie.
Alright, Direk Noel, this is your first project with Star Cinema?
Yes, with Star Cinema.
Now that you're telling, of course, a story, it's quite difficult to tell people on previews like this. Because right now we have like our own individual observations or impressions of what the movie is all about. How hard is it to keep like the whole essence of the story without people actually trying to imply that it's just another mistress film.
Actually, kasi the story nga is very real. It's so contemporary. Even the language na ginamit namin sa film is so contemporary. Kung ano yung the way, on how we talk sa ngayon, ganon eh. And add to that, kasi before namin nabuo yung the whole narrative, kinausap namin yung mga actors, baka with regards sa inputs nila. Kasi para later on, di ba, when they act it out, it's so natural, it's so organic. So, it's really a collaboration.
Sir, aren't you afraid that somehow people might, they might have an impression in yung parang, it's just another mistress movie. What I'm seeing in the trailer.
It's not. It's yeah, pag nakita mo yung movie kasi, makikita mo, actually, we have a strong family story dito.
Yeah.
So it's not a mistress movie. I'm confident to tell that.
Alright.
Not at all.
Wow, first time namin. Kasi yung press con, medyo doon tayo nag-ano, and now it can be revealed that this is not a mistress.
It is not.
Wow, interesting.
Alright, thank you.
With a trailer, ha? Kakaiba. Okay, thanks, John. Okay, next question. Siguro si Mami Jo Bonsol has a question. Ayan, si Mami Jo.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations to all of you. Pero my question would be for the three cast. You've done so many movies in the past about love, about having a broken heart and going through it. But this particular movie, somehow I think, is quite so exciting for all of us, especially the people I work with, who's so anticipating to really watch this film. How different is it na you're delivering lines from this movie compared to the movie lines you've done before? Kasi medyo iba po yung binibitawan yung linya dun sa trailer. Yung medyo exciting for us. Iba po pa, may nagawa na rin po ba kayo na parehas na movie? O is it your first time na ganun yung mga linya na binibitawan niyo?
Alam mo, kami mga teenagers, ganun talaga yung
Wow.
language na.
YOLO!
Yo, hashtag, it's very contemporary like what Derek said. Siyempre, marami na kami nagawa ng mga materials, marami na kami nagawa ng script. But it's always nice to collaborate, not just with the actors, not just with the directors, but with the whole, with the writers. Kasi, if I'm going to attack the role all by myself, iba yung dating. But if you're listening to the director, if you're listening to your writers, kung ano yung gusto nila, and then incorporate mo yung approach mo sa acting, it becomes different all the time. And then, yung pagkakasulat, very young.
So you're also given freedom to suggest that can I alter the lines by saying this instead?
All of us.
That's
That's right. It's wonderful working with Director Noel because binibigyan ka ng freedom to do what you want. Pero at the same time, you have to keep in mind kung ano rin yung kailangan niya, kung ano yung needs niya, kung ano yung gusto niya sa movie.
So masakit po ba yung linya nung may hawakan ng suso sa ating?
Masakit?
Masakit po ba i-deliver yun?
Hindi. Exciting.
Madali lang.
Grabe.
Masaya.
Tinasama namin yung vlogger.
Masaya.
Tanongin natin si Miss Van, masakit bang isulat yun, Miss
Sabi nga kay
Vanessa?
Direk, may take two ba tayo?
Nag-enjoy. Miss Vanessa, masakit bang isulat yung mga ganong klaseng linya sa isang pelikula?
Hindi. Actually, na-excite ako na, siguro for me, the challenge was, I've written so many of these types. And ako, one of the things I was watching out for was that this should be different from The Mistress, and this should be different from a love story. I was very, very conscious of that. And one of the things I told Direct Noel is, Direct Noel, I want the language to be raw. I want people to talk the way they would talk if they were in that situation. Dun sa eksena na sinasabi mo, yung difficulty nun, kasi usually when I'm angry, I think in English and things come out in English. So it was a matter of how do I put that in Tagalog. That was my concern. But otherwise, Hindi, ganun ako. Sorry. Hindi. Discipline ko po yun minsan.
Tinatranslate ko pa
Discipline ko po yun. Kapag nagsusulat ako in English, it has to be straight English. Ganun. Or pag nag-iisip ako, it has to be in one language. Pero yung part ko na yun, natuwa akong isulat. Eh, nung nandun po kami sa set, nandun po si Miss Don tsaka si Sir Richard, na-excite kami na, uy, pumayag yung mga artista namin na gawin to. Parang, kasi sensitive yung eksena. So the fact na pumayag sila and dineliver nila that way. Actually, nung pinapanood ko yun, sabi ko kay Direk, may trailer na tayo.
Alam mo pan-trailer.
Oo, tapos sabi ko, Direk, hindi ako makahinga. Kasi hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin. Na parang sabi ko, Direk, hindi ako makahinga. Tapos nung ginawa na nila, nararamdaman ko yung galit, nararamdaman ko yung iyak. So, nakaganyan kami habang nanunood. Tapos parang pagka-cut nila, parang wala lang, ang happy-happy lang. parang hindi nila inamin. Parang kami, masaya siyang panoorin. It's not so much hard or difficult. It's more, you challenge yourself every time. How would you tell your story differently? How would you write your lines differently? I guess that was the challenge for me.
Gusto mong bumalik tayo kay Miss Don, Mami Jo. It's the same question, Miss Don.
Yes, with me talaga, I have to say this is the first time I've worked on a script of this nature. Kasi the last time na gumawa ako actively, I was doing movies, was many years ago. Iba yung style ng pag-atake, ng pagsulat ng storya, kung paano binibigkas ang mga linya. Iba eh. And ngayon, with this film, I had to adjust to it because ako rin kasi as an actor, like lalo na mostly teleserye yung ginagawa ko eh. I hate mixing English with Tagalog. Sumasakit sa tenga eh.
Okay.
Pag Tagalog, gusto ko straight ang sentences ko in Tagalog. Pag English diretso. I don't like speaking in Taglish. No?
That's why when I read the script, prior to the second, third draft, I had to translate it in French.
Wow, sabi.
French. Okay, longga.
Para ma-feel ko talaga.
Oo na.
Sana po binigyan ko kami ng French translation copy.
Gawa na.
Parang masample nga ng isang French letter.
Mamaya na, pag-pa.
Wow! Okay. Be, ikaw, na-answer na ni Be, hindi pa, no? Was it difficult delivering those powerful and medyo brave?
Hindi, exciting siya para sa akin. Kasi, pagka nag-deliver ka ng isang linya, para lang sa opinion ko, pagka meron kang nabasa or may kailangan ka i-deliver na lines na sinasabi mo sa totoong buhay, nag-follow yung nararamdaman mo, di ba? Ang hirap mag-deliver ng lines na hindi mo talaga sinasabi sa totoong buhay.
Nasabi mo na pala itong mga linya nito?
You?
Oh no! Ibang-iba ka? Ching ka na!
Ay, grabe, you have no idea.
Lately ba nasabi mo to? Charing lang, joke, eh.
Hindi, pero talaga, mas masarap sabihin yung mga linya na ginagamit mo sa totoong buhay. Plus, iba, compared sa iba kong pelikula na nagawa, iba yung timpla niya, no? Iba yung feel niya. Kaya exciting to para sa akin na ipakita sa inyo. Kasi naniniwala ako na maganda yung pelikula namin.
So,
Na it's something that I would watch kahit na hindi ako kasama.
So, The Mistress, wala kang ganito?
May ganito, pero iba yung feel
Tahimik si
eh.
Sally.
Tahimik.
Si Sally, mysterious na
Kasi yung role ko dito, first time ko rin gumawa ng role na may ganitong saltik at may ganitong weakness.
Oh, revelation na
Diba?
parang doon. Wala
Lagi
na
ako
nga
nagre-reflect.
sa trailer.
Lagi ako nagre-reflect na parang, nagawa ko na ba to sa buhay ko? Nagmakaawa na ba ako para magstay lang yung lalaki sa buhay ko? Nagkaganto na ba akong eksena sa buhay ko? Dito ako sa pelikula na to, pinaka nag-reflect.
May nakuha kang sagot dun sa nagmakaawa na ba
Oo,
ako
pero
sa
hindi
isang
ko
lalaki?
share sa'yo.
Okay. Nagpipish
Kala mo.
ba? Go, Mami Jo, tuloy lang.
Follow-up question po. Maybe I'd like to ask then, now. Siguro as of this time, galing nga, yun nga po yung inyong nabanggit about the movie. Ano po yung inyong, how do you manage to memorize the unforgettable lines when people ask you or is reminded of what the lines you have delivered in the past and you never get confused of all those movies that you've done? Na anong pelikula nga ba ito na dineliver ko ito? Kasi they will always remember you for the lines you said in the movie, and those are the things we cherish also. Yung binibit-bit namin, dinadala namin, at yun ang kinu-quote namin.
Si Richard and Miss Dawn,
Na-
sila yung
oo,
medyo matagal sa...
Naaalala niyo
Oo.
pa po ba pag pinaparemind sa inyo yung mga linya? Meron po ba kaming aabangan dito na
Yung mga award-winning
hindi rin namin
performances in the
kakalimutan?
past.
Hindi, of course may mga instances, may mga feelings na yung iba nagawa mo na sa movie. Pero sa linya, ngayon lang namin nagawa ito ganito. It's very new yung approach ng mga lines na ito. Kakaiba. Hindi siya katulad ng mga nagawa ko in the past.
I think I would agree also. Same with me. Kasi nga, yung style nga ng pag-deliver ng lines dito, like you said, is very contemporary. And I haven't done a film like this in a very long time. Years. So, I thoroughly enjoyed it. And as far as lines and memorizing them, I rarely remember kung ano yung mga naging linya ko in my past films until ipinaalala siguro sa akin.
Correct.
But I believe that sa movie na ito, maraming mga ganun na linya. Very memorable lines. But we'll have to leave it to you and the audience to
Sa Wednesday.
Yeah, find out what those lines are.
Bey, ikaw, may mga fresh pa naman yung mga ginawa mong movies eh. Do you remember yung mga...
Yung bawat linya sa bawat pelikula.
Oo.
Like,
Wala naman yung mga lines
naalala
mo
ko
sa
naman.
24/7. 24/7.
Tapos naalala ko talaga, no? Hindi naman lahat, syempre, pero siguro yung mga unforgettable moments kung paano ko siya ginawa rin siguro. Kung ano yung nag-leave talaga sa akin ng mark. Yung character, ha? So,
Mas marami kaming alam sa One More Chance mo kasi. Mga ganun
yan,
siguro.
or The Mistress.
Oh, The Mistress. One More Chance, The Mistress.
And I Love You So.
Ay,
yan.
oo pala.
Yung mga ganyan.
I'll tell you what has happened to me in the past. Na talagang nakarelate ako dun sa isa sa mga eksena dito. Alam mo, siyempre, meron rin dumaan ng mga babae sa buhay ko.
Oh?
Na hindi nyo alam. Na hindi nyo alam. Hindi mo rin alam. at natanong na rin ako ng mga ganong tanong, ano ba tayo? What are we? And a lot of times, hindi ko rin talaga masagot. Ito, hindi ko masagot. Parang,
Oh.
di ba?
Actually,
Ano ba tayo?
no?
Friends ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? Di ba? Lovers ba tayo? FB ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? Pero dito, binigyan ako ng magandang sagot. Ano ba tayo? Masaya.
Masaya. Relationship status na pala ang masaya.
Yes, of course.
Ang ganda, actually, na-remind ako doon, no?
Dahil ikaw rin ganun, di ba?
Naman, diba? For in the past, siyempre, di ba, may mga relationships natin, mga abnormal relationship. Ina-assume ng mga bading na, tayo ba yung pala? Hindi naman pala tayo, di ba? Ano ba tayo? Bihirang masagot na, masaya.
Ano AJ, kaya ngayon, masaya zone.
Oo nga, actually. Magsiset na naman ang ano tong pelikulang ito sa about love.
Thank you for defining a new relationship status.
Masaya.
Oh, yes. Siguro my last question would be, ano po yung roles ng mga kasama nyo dun sa movie? Like Tom Rodriguez. Kasi, oo.
Direct, sagutin mo yan. May mga roles. Importante ba yung mga roles?
Oh,
Definitely.
yes. Actually, lahat characters. Importante kasi sila yung nag-set up ng characters silang tatlo. Si Tom is the boyfriend ni Bea, fiancé niya, na isa.
Oo, ako na-excited ako. Huwag mo na ikwento direct. Gusto ko malaman sa Tuesday sa premiere night at sa Wednesday sa grand opening. Okay.
Si Tom lang po, wala na po.
Ano po ang gusto niyo
Si Anton Typon, tatay ni
Ay, ang ganda rin ng eksenang yun.
Ganda.
ni Bea.
Yes.
Tapos ang
The
si
children.
Ana Capri. And of course the children, si
Children of the world.
sila Manolo, si Jane Oinesa, saka si Gray Fernandez.
Ayun. Panoorin natin sa Wednesday.